My name is Peerawat Ratavisankai. I'm here today to talk about the procurement objective, and I will discuss three examples of effective procurement process. What does it mean by procurement objective? The act of obtaining merchandise, capital, equipment, raw material, service or maintenance, repair and operating supply in exchange for money or equivalent. Its actual term processing is the specific function associated with the actual buying of goods and service from suppliers. Sourcing is liquidating the suitable supplies to reduce the cost of production and ease the processing method. Now we will discuss about it. In this part, setting up the goal within organization can make the effective result so that accurate number, including timing, quality, price, because this will provide the standard how the company can report and communicate to internal customer and stakeholder. For that reason, the company can avoid the gap between the process and communication within the firm by informing the procedure and privacy to ensure that the company will follow the requirement toward organization goal. For example, Tesco Lotus will bring the local producer and import distributor into having big role of meeting customer need and strengthening the producer relationship. These representatives of the supply side usually influenced by key grocery chain and are under the constant pressure of losing their business to the supermarket chains. As a result, is in hand strong enough as its position of dominant store, and it can improve the level of sustainability and growth of local producer and increase the number of suppliers. Managing a processing process effectively and efficiently. Processing process is the one of profitability mentor to which company has to identify the processing procedures and evaluate the suitable supply to easily manage the procurement processes. For example, every process needs to be systematically except by putting engineering or other functional input to categorize and collect the number of goods and the stakeholder. Within organization, the internal personnel are also important due to the key point of managing the purchasing processes. The staff are to follow the given requirement and strategy by professional training. Also, it can develop and maintain privacy and processes with providing scope of work to ensure that they are least error. For example, IKEA. IKEA also rely on something rare and unique concerning its logistical management and reordering the products. Is employs in-store logistics personnel to handle inventory management at its store. The duty of the logistics personnel are to monitor and record deliveries, carefully check delivery notice, source and separate the goods and get them off to the correct sale area. Develop strong relationship with other functional groups. The important part of involvement of stakeholder and customer is networking. The cost, the company has to prioritize the communication and sharing the information to the stakeholder, such as market trade, price, quality, delivery, forecast, and demand. This information will be helping the stakeholder to understand where the company are standing in the marketplace, and it will create the cooperation within customer and company to making the global network to get much more opportunity in business. For example, General Electric. This supplier within General Electric are important partner in your functional group. The company prioritize it based on risk and where its involvement can have the most impact by cooperating with supplier and other stakeholder to actual approach to expect and aim to establish the efficient networking company. Thank you for your attendance. This is my presentation. Thank you.